Do you know many people are having trouble with finding their Honda Civic radio code? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate code. Start by locating the radio code card that came with your car's owner's manual kit. Step 2. Enter code. Enter the 5-digit radio code using the radio preset buttons on your dashboard. Step 3. Find serial. If the code card is missing, turn on your radio to see the serial number displayed. Step 4. Use serial. Utilize the serial number to obtain your code from any Honda dealer. Step 5. Reactivate radio. Input the new code using the radio preset buttons to reactivate your audio. Now, you should be able to fully enjoy your Honda Civic's audio system again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.